Welcome to Project Sullivan. I'm Gogo.
And I'm Gilbert.
On this week's episode, we are finishing the detailing on the Ford.
What kind of things do we still have to do to detail, Gogo?
We have to put the seat cover back on and we have to clean the interior.
Right. But first, we got to get rid of the whole hole in the seat. We're going to repair it our way. Whether it's the right way or not is to be left up to you.
I was not here for that.
That's true. We're going to repair it my way.
It's my way with the highway.
And if it happens to be right, all the better. If not, let us know in the comments below.
And tell us what you guys think about the Ford with its new seat cover. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Might become Spider-Man today. There's a bunch of spiders under here. Hopefully one of them's radioactive. Do you know what time it is? It's time for one run. Works 100% of the time, sometimes. The seat's got its expansion slot missing for your leg to fit better. Right here, the one and done didn't have enough power to get it over the hill, so we had to pop it into four-wheel drive. On the plus side, we know the four-wheel drive works. Me and that buzzer had a little bit of a discussion, and we decided it shouldn't buzz no more. Wow, look at that rust! Holy rust, Batman! I'm gonna miss that screw. And for the low price of $750, we can sell you our specially designed tool. Let's use the world's biggest hammer. Pull out my wire strippers.
I'm really hoping my oil pan's over it.
Drenched! 3, 2, 3. There's a better way to pull a drain pan on a transmission that doesn't get transmission fluid everywhere. Leave a comment in the comment below. Let's use the cheapest knife I could afford for this kind of thing. And let's get some new material for our seats. Okay. Here at Project Sullivan, we only use the highest in quality when it comes to upholstery. If any of you guys were wondering at home, I did save this chair just to cut the cushion out. Looks like we need a little bit more cutting on the bottom here. Take that too. If you're wondering where we're going to put this, we got to do a little bit of remodeling on our seat here. Hopefully we can fix it up. That way I could go into hands-free mode. We've already doled out our knife. Brilliant. Maybe if we do one of these, or like this, and cut off the corner. Let's go ahead and cut this excess off. About the noisiest door ever. If I did that, it's almost the right height. Very interesting. Oh, sorry about that. I don't know about y'all, but I consider that a lifesaver. Now our door doesn't squeak. This one's gonna go right here. I'll let you guys know I'm not an upholstery guy. I've never done this before. I'm kind of just making it up as I go along. If you have any better way to do this, please let me know in the comments below. I once made a costume for Gogo when he was younger out of styrofoam, and I'm using what I learned on YouTube from that project to try to do this one. Nice little tech tip. Use one of these cheap knives, because you're going to dull out anything every time you use it when you try to do this. Today we're going to be using our Gorilla spray adhesive. What we're going to do is we're going to spray each surface. Alright, so we're going to use our glue. We got to shake well before use. Shake well before use. Then we'll spray it on both pieces. Let them dry for 1 minute till they're tacky, and then it'll be ready to connect.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
That's 1 minute.
A few moments later.
Okay, that's might be for this one now. That'd be pretty good for that. What do you guys think? We double layer this right here. Maybe that'll make it stronger. Put a little mark. It's getting sticky already. Move it over here. It's gonna glue to everything. Oh my god, I've gotten the Gorilla Glue on my fingers. Hopefully it doesn't get into an open cut, or it might be contagious. If it is not obvious, I really don't know a thing about upholstery. I don't know if I could handle getting turned into a gorilla. If I do, all y'all at home start calling me Magilla. We're just gonna see if this comes out right though. Alright. Because here on Project Sullivan, we make the mistakes so you don't have to. Okay, so my idea is I want to interlayer this, right? So I'm cutting this one right now. I want to interlayer this. So let me get this piece right here. Then I'm going to use that last piece over there to kind of fill in the gaps. Like this.
A few moments later.
We'll let that finish cure. It'll take about 3 hours. I think it'll work all over your hands, because that's awesome. Probably never come off.
I don't know, the interior on the Ford maybe?
Dun to Ford. Okay.
That was dumb.
Just a lot. What did that detailing kit come with?
Okay. It came with tire shine, original protectant for
Show the camera.
for your dash. We got glass wipes. That'll be useful.
Right?
Cleaning wipes. That's gonna take some effort. And wheel and tire cleaner. And then we got sponge. And then we got this stuff, which is a wax and shine. We got wax and wash. And a rag. That's not bad. Alright, let's get to doing this. Let's start this cleaning process.
How are those wipes working?
Very crappy. Tell me how the steering wheel looks though. Hope you guys enjoyed that video.
If you've been watching this long, you might as well subscribe. Next week on Project Sullivan, we will be having a highlights episode of this entire build. We're trying something new. Let us know how you...
Don't forget to come back next week on Monday, every Monday. Alright, you start off the last one.
Huh?
Nothing.
Oh, you're about to go or what?
Yeah.
You getting the magic ready?
Yep.
You getting
That's
the magic
exactly
ready?
it. Alright. Outro.